Assalamu alaikum. Good morning everyone. Today we the learners of grade 5 are going to present why and how activity. So let's start.
How does exercise keep us healthy? It improves circulation, strength, bones and muscles. How can keep our surroundings clean? We should not use plastic and throw the dust in dustbin. Why should we not cut trees?
We should not cut trees because they are essential for life, acting as the primary sources of oxygen while absorbing harmful carbon dioxide reduce to pollution.
How does helping others make the world better? Kindness can make the world happier place for everyone. They can boost feeling confidence, being control, and happiness and optimism. Why should we complete homework on time? Homework helps in revision for class lesson. It improves memory and understanding.